Hey guys, and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today's day 8, I think. Yes, day 8. Excuse me. And obviously we're back home. Last night we just ended up staying in Lawrence and we just came back up today. Um and we just been relaxing. We just been watching TV. So what I'm gonna be doing now is it's actually pretty late at night. Is it super late? Yeah, it's like 10, and I have some laundry to put away. Like, I don't mind doing laundry, but when you have a lot of laundry to put away, that's when it's like, "Ugh, do I really want to do this?" But the thing about me is, I don't mind putting it away. Once I start doing it, like, I'll just keep on and going with the flow, and then I actually want to do it. But it's just the starting. That's like, that's the part for me that it's hard. It's just getting it over with. But I'm just gonna be doing that. Since late at night, I'm probably just gonna do as much as I can before the boys go to sleep, and then I'll probably also probably watch a movie with my sister that's here, my little sister, and I'll probably watch like a Christmas movie with her or something. So I'll probably show you guys that. But yeah, I'm just gonna mainly just do laundry right now. If I do anything else with the kids, then I'll show you guys that as well. But like I said, it won't probably be like a very long video. It's just like a short, a little vlog of what I'm doing. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys doing some laundry, probably not the whole thing because I have quite a few laundry to put away. And then yeah, I don't know what else is gonna be in this video, but hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, so I just finished doing all the laundry, putting it away. I'm here now with Levi in the bed. And Isaac and Wally fell asleep. My sister is in the room right now. She's watching TV. So I think I'm going to just prepare and get ready for bed because honestly I'm tired for some reason. I feel so exhausted. Oh man. So I think it's gonna be the end of today's probably super short, but I did not want to record, so I at least wanted to record something. So I at least recorded myself doing laundry. Yeah guys, I'm so exhausted. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
So yeah guys, Levi, are you tired?
Huh?
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Levi's also tired, so I think we're just gonna probably get ready for bed because if he's tired, then I'm sure my sister's also tired because she has her own schedule too. But so I'm just gonna stop the video here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully have more exciting things to do tomorrow. I think we're gonna be going out tomorrow when Wiley gets back from work. So I'll probably record that. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos, especially when I was doing Vlogmas. And you guys can keep up to date with my life. Okay guys, I love you. I will see you all tomorrow. Adios.